This is a 2013 Scion FRS. We did what we call a hardcore all-motor build on it. It has Invidia test pipe. It has a GReddy exhaust system, the SP. We had initially used the Evo III, but it was a little too loud. And then the last thing we just put on today was the headers from Agency Power. It also has the intake from GReddy. After everything was bolted on, it's got full exhaust from the engine all the way back. And the intake, we went ahead and tuned it, and it made 190 wheel horsepower. We used the ECUtek tune on it. So here's what it sounds like.